Hello everybody. Today we're gonna take a look at my most recent website that I did. I created with React and Vite. Um, so yeah, this is a website that I created and it's actually online, so it has been published. It was for a customer of mine. Let's go. So this is how the website looks. It has a button that says call, which basically it is functional. It actually will call the owner of the place if the user, if someone, a potential client, would like to see it and check it out. They just can't just call the person, and it would already call the owner of the auto repair shop. Next button that we have, it's basically a button that goes into a it goes to the place that the owner is. So if he clicks, it goes to Google Maps, and that shows where the shop is located. Lastly, we also have the information for the customer. Well, actually, when the store is open and closed. I think we could also have integrated, if the person would have wanted to. We could have integrated here Google Calendar or something, just so the user could actually, have an appointment there. This is the navbar. All of this is functional. If the user clicks either this button or the logo, they will go back to home. Um, this page has a button. This button goes to, well, just goes to make a consultation for them. This is functional. Of course, it's not gonna do anything since we haven't, you know, put nothing in there. Sorry if I sound differently this time. I have had a killer cold and my voice is a bit different today. Now this is the part that what sets them apart than others. They have testimonials. This is very interesting because if someone wants to see the testimonies, they just go to see more reviews. And then they can go to the Facebook page and see them. One thing I think is that if the user has some Google accounts and it has Google reviews, we could also implement them here and actually have them. But that's something that we could do. It says about the common services that the auto repair shop offers, and we have all of these. These are actually very interesting because if the person wants to see them, you could just say like learn more, and it's gonna go to this page right here, which we'll see definitely in the future, just in a bit. And lastly, we have the footer, but we'll see more of that. So the About Us page. The About Us page is kind of simple. It just have their information, like their history, who they are, and then our facilities. This is something interesting that I think it is important, and I just think it's very fun for someone that is as a potential client. It could explore their facilities and see all of it by using these buttons right here. And I think this adds something very unique, and the user is gonna be, well, he's gonna know what he's expecting in the place that he's gonna go. Either this being an auto repair shop, as in this case, or a daycare, or any other type of business. I think it's gonna be very good. Now let's go into services. Services, it's a bit similar, with only something else. We'll have here the paragraph, the photo, and then we have also these buttons that we saw earlier. And now in this page, the customer can explore them. Just explore them and see what they are, what they do, and all of that like that. Now we go to contact us. contact us is we already talked about this. You know, if the user does this, then the owner of the shop will get a notification, and from there they could take care of it. Now, let me show you something that I integrated into this website, which it is very. A lot of people think that um, this is something that they always ask me if it's achievable, and it's 100%. I don't know, but there are some people that probably don't integrate them, and if they don't, maybe it's because they truthfully don't know that they should be integrated. But and I'm talking about the responsiveness, which is this. It's how good the website looks on a smaller screen. So as you can see, the website looks great. It works, and if someone is looking at the cell phone, of course this is something that I will have to talk and let know people about, is that um, of course in some phones not every phone is gonna look the same for this, and the reason for that it's because you know um, with iOS and Android, they have their own native languages, so that's why the apps are for. That is something that we 100% do at my company, which is Accelerate Coding Solutions. We do phone apps as well. We build them with React Native, and from that we can have them in iOS and also in Android. So yeah, that is something that I did with this page right here. Oh, and let me show you, because I said that it was on the web. So it is here. It works, and yeah, thank you.